Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing. Back up your current shell file so you can revert. Open // bash RC with nano or vim and scroll to the PS1 definition. This is where prompt color lives. You change the prompt, not the emulator, because ANSI escape sequences define text color across terminals. Once done, pick codes like 31 for red, 32 green, make a quick note of reset code 0. Make sure you have permission to write, and a running shell to test in. Now you implement the change. Insert a PS1 assignment using proper escape grouping so bash counts characters correctly. For example, PS1 equals \\E32m \\U at \h \W \E0m $. This sets green user at host, CWD, and resets color afterward. Save the file, because persistence matters, and then run source // bash RC to apply without restarting. If you want multiple colors, finish by verifying the prompt in a new shell, or simply source the file again. That confirms persistence. If you prefer portability across terminals, use tput/setaf and tput/sgr0 inside PS1 instead of raw numbers so term is respected. If you see raw \E sequences printed, that means you omitted \/ and \/ around escapes. Edit PS1 to add them, save, and reload. Finally, keep a backup copy of original PS1 so you can restore if the prompt breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.